So I'm not sure if you're aware, but on August 31st, Facebook will discontinue the current monetization program. On August 31st, there will be a new program. But if you are restricted, let's fix that now. Welcome and welcome back. I am Sin. So if you still see restricted on your dashboard, you are not alone. But with the new content monetization program launching on the 31st, you need to know right now if that restriction will go away automatically or if there's something you need to fix today. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step so you can get unrestricted and be ready for the new program. So let's start with the question everyone is asking. Will my restriction go away on its own? Well, the short answer is sometimes, but not always. Some creators reported that if they start posting original content consistently, the restriction will clear away on its own within months. But that's not always guaranteed for everyone. Facebook looks at what triggered your restriction, and if the problem is still there, it won't automatically disappear. That's why you need to be proactive right now to fix it. So here's the steps that you can use to remove restriction and get back into the monetization program by August 31st. Step 1, review flagged content. Log into your monetization dashboard and look for posts and videos that trigger a violation. Number 2, once you figure out the issue, delete or edit violating content. Now, if Facebook flagged reposted videos, unlicensed music, or misleading content, please remove that. Step 3, after that, you need to submit an appeal. Go to the appeal section in your dashboard and request a review. This tells Facebook that you fixed the issue and you want your case rechecked. Number 4, keep posting original content. This is crucial now. Facebook rewards consistency. Let me give you a little tip. Posting fresh, unique videos regularly shows the system that you're serious about following the rules and the policies. Now, let me share what other creators have experienced. Now, this information comes from Reddit. Someone said, I applied for manual review and was told just keep posting videos. After 1 week, the issue was resolved, okay? That's what someone wrote on Reddit. I went on Reddit and I was trying to see, okay, what are other creators saying? That particular creator claimed that they were told, just keep posting and it will go away. But like I said, it all depends on what triggered your restriction. So to answer some of y'all questions, yes, some restrictions can clear quickly, but the key takeaway is don't stop posting and don't ignore the restriction. Act now. Now, here's something that is very important. As of 2025, Facebook has started cracking down harder on stolen and reposted content. That means if your page is full of reshared clips, your restriction may never lift. Now, the new content monetization program focuses on originality. So if you've been relying on reposts, now is the time to shift into your own unique content. So what can you do to prepare for the new content monetization program, okay? That's coming very soon. First, clean up any restrictions now. Do not wait. Second, clean your page. Delete old, flagged, or unoriginal content. Third, focus on the eligibility requirements, okay? Keep posting consistently. Follow the guidelines and make sure that the work is yours, okay? Make sure that when you upload something, it belongs to you. They are cracking down so hard on unoriginal content, repurposed and reused content. They want you to use your imagination, think outside the box, and put your own work into play. They are cracking down, guys. Let me go ahead and tell you this now. They are cracking down, and you don't want to get involved in that. Now, let's take a quick break and get into the product of the day, which is the Neck Tech Foot Massager. Every time I'm editing a video, I am sitting at my desk with my feet on top of this machine getting a massage, okay? It has kneading and it has a heating sensation. Shout out to my husband for being the example for today. Yes, he also uses my machine. He stands up on his feet all day at work, so when he get home, instead of me having to massage his feet, I say, baby, won't you just, yeah, it works. So if you're interested in this machine, click the button down below. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Restrictions may sometimes clear automatically, but don't count on that. The smartest move is to review your flag content, delete what breaks the policies, file an appeal, and keep posting fresh, original content. Now do this thing now, and you'll be in the best position when the new program launches. Now, if you're restricted right now, drop a comment below and let me know how long that you have been waiting, or if you tried appealing. Let me know, because I want to know exactly how the process works. I have done a lot of research. I've heard it'll clip automatically. I've heard sometimes it won't, because it depends on what triggered it. Personally, I would just delete anything that's flagged, anything that's unoriginal, anything that has unlicensed music. Just delete it. I personally wouldn't wait around to see if it will go away on its own. Okay, personally now. People have stated that, but this is Sin talking to you personally. I definitely would go ahead and just delete all that stuff and appeal. Now, the new program launches August 31st. That is literally around the corner. So let's go ahead and get our ducks in a row, so when that day comes, we'll be fine. But also there are new requirements. The new requirements are you need 5,000 followers and you need 60,000 video minutes within the past 60 days. So your photos, your text, things like that will not count towards eligibility for the new program. You need 5,000 followers and 60,000 video minutes. That's live streams. That's videos. Things like that is what they're looking for to let creators join the new program. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out. And don't forget that knowledge is power.